Do you want to know how to make iPhone never turn off? So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings and then simply scroll down and go to your battery settings. So simply tap on battery, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply disable the option which is the low power mode 1. So make sure that it's disabled. As you can see, mine is disabled. Now, the next step is to simply go back and then simply go to display and brightness. So simply tap on display and brightness under control center, and then simply scroll down, and what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on auto lock and then simply select never. So basically this will put your Apple device into sleep mode. So you're gonna have to make sure that never is selected. So basically that's all you have to do in order to make your iPhone never turn off. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.